What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Steel Blue Body channel. You know what I'm saying? Today is what's in your armrest challenge, and basically that is from YouTube and on a budget, and I accept your challenge. So let's begin. All right, first thing I got is my headphones. I don't usually leave my headphones in my armrest, but last night I did. But you know, so I got that. Got a receipt, and that is from BP. You know what I'm saying? Full tank, $25. You know what I mean? So I got this a cool towel. You know what I mean? Got this a while back. You know what I mean? Shout out to them. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all check them out and check their clothing out and stuff like that, man. They got some good stuff. All right. So I got a blue driver sensor, and what this basically does, it basically monitors everything that's going on with your car, what's need to be fixed, codes that if you needed, it will let you know what's going on, the history of your car and everything like that. This is a good thing right here, and I got this from Chris Fix. You know what I mean? iPod, never leave home without it, just like a credit card. But the crazy thing is that I use this once in a while, and I use my phone as my iPod. These right here, I got these rolled up. These are like headlight, T10 headlights, LEDs. I still have them stored. You know what I mean? Still got them stored. I got another one on this side right here to pull out, but I keep everything wrapped up. But sooner or later, I'm gonna install these things in. Old tickets that I had, I ain't throw these out. You know what I mean? Didn't throw this out. More receipts. McDonald's. I don't know why it's still here. Man, I got like a whole bunch of receipts. You know what I'm saying? Gas receipts right here. BP. There's a voucher for parking lane, you know, out in the city. More receipts. I guess I made my duffel armrest a freaking junkyard of paper. This right here is Western Union form. Sent out money to my cousin out in Haiti. What up? Sapase. You know what I'm saying? Haitian family out there. And this is just a piece of a receipt that has nothing in there. Got a bag that has nothing in it. So I guess I use that as a garbage bag. Another crunched up Western Union form. Got a LED 194 lamps, Phillips. Keep them here. And I have like driving gloves that I don't need no more. I don't know, maybe I'm like that. I have my damn gloves, you know what I mean? But don't want to go crazy like that because I ain't no you know what I mean? Freshness, which is old, done. More tickets, you know what I mean? Gotta have your hand sanitizers, you know what I'm saying, because germs is all over the place. Make sure you get yours. Always good to keep in the car. Alright. Ooh, this is good. I've been looking for axe plugs, and I got one. I got an old one, and it was giving me problems, so this is gonna be in use today. I got me iPhone charger, even though I don't have an iPhone, but I have friends who have iPhones, so it's very convenient to have these here to charge their phones and stuff. Of course, the iPod charger, which thought I dropped it. Okay, plug this joint right now. And yes, it works. See that? Alright, turn that off, let that charge. Okay, I have more Western Union forms, pens, inspection paperwork. You're gonna get your inspection, got that. Another inspection form, and what up to my Jamaican people? What's good? You know what I'm saying? Married to a Jamaican, you know what I mean? And guess you didn't know. Haitian too. Alright. You know what I mean? Another state inspection form. And this was right here is I went to a car wash. This is old. I don't know why I have that. Because the car already washed already. An old receipt for dry cleaners. Got that here. Keep a bottle of lotion. This one is empty. Gotta throw that out. This is crazy. I didn't know I kept all this garbage in here. This right here, I guess, is another form for car wash. Nope. This is Auto Express form. Wheel alignment. You know what I'm saying? Oh, garbage, all receipts. Got another extra pen. Keep that. Make sure that works. And this is a receipt form. Sending money out to Haiti. You know what I'm saying? To my family. Yeah, family out there. Another ticket. Which is a traffic ticket, but these are old. These are all paid for. I don't know. I guess keep them in here. Umbrella cover. Let's see here. I went to a baby shower and they gave me this pen. Who is this from? Yeah, baby shower. What? Shelly and Corn? Well, I don't know, but keep that. My daughter left a watch here, but that's all dead. Little tax refund thing, which I don't really need. You know, bank receipt. Oh, garbage. And I got CDs here that I haven't listened to. This is called A Take. I guess this is a movie. These are music. Yep, these are music, which I think I'll put these aside. More music. Bunch of soca's. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I listen to soca too. You know what I mean? Then hip hop joints. You know, want some Zumba? Want Zumba? You know what I mean? Let's see, I got more CDs. This is a hip hop mix. Oh man. Yo, shout out to Young Quay, man. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all go and download this, man. Get that on what's it? Dat Piff. Make sure you go download that, alright? Oh, and also make sure y'all check out Bang Joe. Check them out too. You know what I mean? Guys coming up, man. Alright, I think this pen is old. Yeah, it's old. It don't write no more. But yeah, man. These is like all the stuff that I have. These are like old meter receipts from 2016. You know. But yeah, and this is what I got plugged in to charge my phone and my iPod all at once. You know, so if you ain't got this, something's wrong, because you definitely need these to keep in your car in case you need to charge your phone, because not having your phone is crazy and is a hassle. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to communicate with somebody, especially if you're in trouble. I mean, let's see if this pen works. Nope. Another dead one. Garbage. And this is a receipt from, okay. I don't know what this for. Don't really say, but I guess it's a gas station, I guess. You know? Well, that's all I have. Oh, yeah. Wow. That's funny. I was looking for this earpiece. I kept the earpiece in here. You know, small Samsung earpiece. Then, I remember I told you guys that I had the Dart Charger badge for my steering wheel. Here it is right here. And look at the back of it. It's all broken. See that? So yeah, so definitely that has to be replaced. But you know, yeah. So this is the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? And if you like this video, make sure you like it. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Right there on the bottom. See down here? Right down here. Just click that red button, right? Then you're going to see a bell. Once you see that bell, then you click on that. So anytime I post a video, you guys will be able to see it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all don't have to, you know, type in my name and try to look to see what else I've done. As long as you subscribe and you see that, all right? Thank you guys for watching, man. Have a good one.